Hello guys, today we'll learn how to customize the quick access toolbar. Is this small area in the top left corner of the screen. You can see the XL button, the undo button and the redo button. And here you have the option to customize quick access toolbar. You have the option to add more commands that you often use. You'll save time then to go and navigate through the ribbon to find them. Left click. Need to select more commands. And like you see here, I have the popular commands. I will press all commands. And for example, I need to put the insert picture button. I will press A until I find the command. Okay, it's here. I'll press add. And another command I want to put on the customized quick access will be paste formatting. I'll press P and I will press until I find the command. And it's here. I will press add and now I will press OK. Now you can see I have the insert picture command and I have the paste formatting command. And if I want to remove it, I will click right and I have the option remove for quick access toolbar. Thanks guys for watching me and have an excellent day.